Dreame Airstyle Pro versus Dyson Airwrap. Straight up, one of these costs a fraction of the other and gets surprisingly close. The real question is whether close is good enough for your hair. The price gap matters, but so does what you're actually styling every morning. If you've got tricky hair and want the most polished, no thinking required blowout, one of these still earns its name. If you want salon-style results without the splurge regret, the other is the smarter buy for most people. Both linked below with the current price. So how do they actually style? Let's get into it. Both the Dreame Airstyle Pro and the Dyson Airwrap promise the all-in-one blowout. Drying, smoothing, curling, volumizing, frizz control, the whole package. And honestly, for a straight blowout with body and shine, they get you to a similar finish line. The Dreame's volumizing brush and smoothing attachments do real work, and the auto-wrap barrels actually grab the hair without you fighting it. But here's the thing. The Dyson's Coanda Airflow is on another level when it comes to wrapping hair around the barrel and shaping it into a defined curl. It's the kind of tech that took years to copy, and the copies still aren't there. There's a review I came across where someone with stick-straight medium hair said the conical barrel finally gave her soft curls that actually held, and that matches what keeps coming up across the board. The Dreame gets you bouncy waves and a smooth blowout, no problem. Tighter, sculpted curls that survive the day? Dyson is a clear step ahead. Versatility on paper is a tie. Versatility in the mirror tilts to the Airwrap. Now, hair type. This is where the price gap starts to make more sense, or less, depending on you. But if your hair is fine to medium, maybe color-treated, the Dreame is honestly a sweet spot. The lower max heat is a feature, not a bug, and the results look polished without you babying every section. For thick, coarse, or 3C, 4A coily hair, it's a different story. A reviewer with curly, coily hair said the Dreame is powerful enough as a dryer, but you can feel the limits when you want a precise finish. And a stray review mentioned the unit overheating and shutting off on max settings, so if you push it hard with dense hair, that's worth knowing. The Dyson handles a wider range without breaking a sweat. Thick hair, fine hair, processed hair, it adjusts. The trade-off, real talk, is that some folks with very fine or bleached hair have reported breakage when they push it, so it's not magic either. But for consistency across hair types in one session, the Airwrap is the more forgiving tool. Heat control and hair health. This is where both brands actually agree on philosophy. Neither one wants to fry your hair. The Dreame caps temperature relatively low and leans on airflow to do the work, which is exactly why people with damaged hair like it. The Dyson uses intelligent heat control, with sensors keeping things under that 302-degree mark, plus the cool shot for setting. Both reduce frizz noticeably compared to a regular dryer and round brush. For day-to-day hair health, you're not making a wrong choice with either. The Dyson edges ahead on consistency, the Dreame edges ahead on running cooler by default. Pick your poison. Day-to-day use is where things get interesting. The Dreame is genuinely lightweight, under a pound. Your arm doesn't quit halfway through a blowout, and that matters more than spec sheets admit. The handle has this pebbled leather feel that, look, it's a nice touch. Attachments snap on easily, though a couple of owners mention they pop off if you twist a certain way, so there's a small learning curve. The Dyson is heavier, and you feel it. What you get in return is the Bluetooth app, which lets you save a hair profile and run timed curl sequences from your phone. Gimmick or game changer? Depends on you. If you curl regularly and want one-handed control over heat, speed, and wrap direction, it earns its place. If you just want to dry and go, you'll never open the app. One annoyance with the Dreame is that you swap barrels to change curl direction. The Airwrap clicks to flip. Small thing, adds up if you curl often. On reliability, the Dreame comes with a 2+1 year warranty and a 600-hour lifespan claim, which is solid for the category. The Dyson has the brand reputation and long-term reviews backing it, with people reporting years of daily use without issues. Both feel premium in hand. Both come in nice presentation boxes that make them giftable. Price and value, no fluff. The Dyson costs more than double the Dreame. That's the headline. What you're paying for with the Airwrap is the Coanda tech, broader hair type performance, app integration, and the brand's track record. What you're getting with the Dreame is roughly 80% of the styling result for a fraction of the spend, plus a tool that's lighter and gentler by default. Dyson rarely discounts. Occasional drops on Amazon and at major retailers. The Dreame tends to have more promotional movement and bundles, especially around gifting seasons. Both sit in their own lane on value, and which lane is yours depends on how often you style and what you're styling. Here's the call. For most of you watching this, the Dreame Airstyle Pro. You get roughly 80% of the Airwrap's result, a lighter tool that's gentler by default, and you keep a serious chunk of cash in your pocket. That's the smarter buy for most people. If your hair is thick, coarse, or coily, or you want sculpted curls that actually hold all day, the winner falls apart. Get the Dyson Airwrap, no fluff. And if you curl daily and want the app and click-to-flip direction, the Airwrap earns it. The Dreame tends to show up in bundles and gifting promos. Worth timing. And you? Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Both linked below with the current price.